Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sitole. Guys, we're back with another video. Today we're making steamed bread. So these are the ingredients, you guys. We have our 4 medium sized carrots, 3 tablespoons of oil, a teaspoon of salt, 200 grams of sugar, our instant yeast, 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of water, warm water. Okay guys, now I'm going to start mixing, starting with my yeast and my sugar, and then just mix kancane before I add my salt. My salt. Guys, yeast and salt are not best friends. Remember that. They're not best friends. So you cannot just add your yeast directly to your salt, or your salt directly to your yeast. And I'm adding my water. Guys, not putting too much. Guys, remember that we're still gonna put our carrot, and carrot has its own juice, so it's still gonna release its own juice. So you do not wanna make your dough too wet or too soft, because you're gonna add your carrot. Mix, and then now I'm gonna go in with my hands. I know my dough looks so dry right now, but guys, trust the process. Please just do not add water, like too much water. I'm just gonna add it just a drop, and then mix, and then guys, that's it. No more water. And then I'm now adding my 3 tablespoons of oil. This is sunflower oil, guys. You can add your olive oil, avocado, whatever oil of your choice, whatever oil you choose to use here, it is fine. Okay, now I'm adding my carrots. So guys, you see my dough still looks dry, but see, after mixing for a few seconds, the texture of my dough is going to change. Carrot is going to release its juice, and then it's going to be like soft. And if it's too soft, guys, it's very hard to work with. Look at this. Now it's soft, and I'm still going to rest my dough for 5 minutes. Resting it for 5 minutes before continuing, you guys. This is after 5 minutes. And then I'm now just going to sprinkle some flour and then mix, you guys, because now it's kind of too soft for my liking. So I'm gonna keep sprinkling some flour and mix, sprinkling some flour and continue kneading until I get what I want. Okay, I'm sprinkling my flour to my work surface to avoid my dough from sticking, and then just transferring my dough. Okay, now I'm going to knead my dough for not less than 8 minutes, guys. I always emphasize on that. Do not be lazy to knead your dough, because it's gonna change the game for you. It's gonna make your bread to be very soft, very fluffy, and yeah. So you do not want to skip this process. Just keep kneading. Okay guys, my dough is ready now. Okay, I'm just going to transfer my dough to this container, and guys, I'm just greasing it so that my dough cannot stick to it, and then cover it, let my dough sit for 30 to 40 minutes, guys. Depends on the temperature of your house, you guys. If your house is warm, like it's a bit warm, it's gonna rise a bit faster. If it's cold, and then it's gonna take a bit longer to rise. Now I'm going to cover it and let it rest. Okay guys, this is after 35 minutes and my flour is ready, my dough is ready. So yeah, it is risen beautifully. I'm just gonna give it a punch and just release some air and just shape it the way I like, and then start cooking it. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with my hands, releasing some air, and then shape it the way I like, and then start cooking. Okay, I'm now guys cutting it and making 2 equal sized portions. This is my very old pot, guys. I use this pot when I make steamed bread. So yeah, I'm going to use it. I already greased my pot with oil and sprinkled some flour in it to avoid my dough from sticking. Guys, I'm just shaping my dough. This is my first one. I'm shaping it and just putting it in my pot. Guys, this dough, remember I cut it into 2, so it's gonna give me 2 bread. Yeah, this is the pot I'm going to use. I'm just going to pour some water. I am pouring some water, about 4 to 5 cups of water. By the way, guys, there are many ways to cook bread, and this is one of them. Guys, in my language, we call this idombolo or ujeqe, and it's amazing. It's very nice. Yeah, closing my pot, and then I'm going to cook this for 30 minutes, guys. See, it's boiling now nicely. This is after 15 minutes, guys. I wanted to check it. So now, yeah, I'm going to continue cooking until I insert a toothpick in it, and then it comes out dry. Then I'll know that my flour, my bread is ready. Okay, my bread is ready, guys. I'm going to let it sit for 3 minutes before I transfer it to my cooling rack. Ready? Yes. Look how easy it comes out of the pot, because I did grease my pot with oil and some flour, guys. This is why it's so easy for it. This is why it didn't stick on the pot. Okay, guys, my bread is ready, and yeah, it's beautiful. I don't know if you can see, guys. It's beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you guys for supporting me. Guys, we on the road to 400. Like, I can't believe it. On the road to 400, and hopefully we'll do this soon. Guys, thank you so much. Look at this bread. Like, let's just take a moment, take a second, like, and just, yeah. Look at this. Look at my bread. It's so soft, guys. Oh. Okay, guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. Bye.